Lucy decorates the cafeteria for a teacher appreciation luncheon. She inflates 8 packages of 24 balloons. Lucy arranges the balloons into bouquets of 6 balloons each. How many balloon bouquets is Lucy able to make? So, this is a word problem that looks like it has 2 actions where we're taking packages of balloons and inflating them, and then we arrange them into balloon bouquets. So, because we're doing 2 operations, let's do them one at a time. So it says she takes 8 packages. Okay. So I have bags, right? And there's 8 of them. There's 8 of these bags, and in each bag there are 24 balloons. And when I do that, I will find out how many total balloons there are. What operation is this? It's multiplication. I do not know my total yet, so I will combine these numbers. And because I have equal groups of 24, 8 times, this is a multiplication problem instead of an addition problem. So, 24 times 8 equals 8 times 4 equals 32. 8 times 2 equals 16, plus 3 equals 19. So I have 192. Is that my final answer? It is not. We already said we have 2 steps. We are now going to take all these balloons, right? We have 192 balloons. What do we do with them? We are putting them into bouquets, right? Into groups of 6 balloons each. Okay, so that means I'm going to make them into a group of 6. The question is, how many of these will there be? Let's say, I was going to put B for K, but we'll put G for groups. What operation will this be? It is division. I am separating my total, right? I'm breaking apart my number, and I'm breaking it apart into equal groups of 6. So I'm not subtracting 192 and 6. I'm trying to divide it into groups of 6. So, because I have space over here, I'm going to make an in-out table. Going to 9. And I count by, let's see, well, I divide by 6. So, I'm going to do it for 6. 0 times 6 is 0. 1 times 6 is 6. And now I just start counting by 6s. 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. 18 plus 6 is 24. 24 plus 6 is 30. 30 plus 6 is 36. 36 plus 6 is 42. 42 plus 6 is 48. 48 plus 6 is 54. So now I have my in-out table, which will help me with division. So I'm dividing into groups of 6, 100, 9 tens, 2 ones. Okay. So how many groups of 6 can I make out of 1? Well, 1 is in between 0 and 6. So I don't have enough to make 1 group of 6. So I can make 0 groups of 6. I can make 0 groups, which will use up 0 things, right? 0 times 6 is 0. So I'll have 1 left over. I'll regroup. Next, 19. Well, 19 I can divide by 6. Let's see. 19 is in between 24 and 18. So I don't have enough to do 24. But I can use 18 of my 19, right? I can divide 18 into 3 groups. 18 divided by 6 equals 3. Which will leave me 1 left over, which I regroup. Okay, 12. 12 can be divided by 6 exactly into 2 groups. 12 minus 12 equals 0. So, I can make exactly 32 bouquets.